Hey, welcome back to another storm vlog. I just want to show you how much has changed since the last time. Yeah. You see now there's a clear good amount of ice on the ground. Our power hasn't gone out yet. Apparently the power lines aren't completely frozen yet. But sooner or later, it's gonna probably shut down. Let's take a little walk out. I have to be extremely careful not to slip. There's a clear coat of slush completely layering this ground right now. I'm actually trying not to slip. If my voice is being, overpowered, it's because of the wind. The wind is insane. Let me see if I can get a tree. Look at over there. Look at those trees. They're swaying like crazy. Now look at the water. This was a mud puddle earlier on today. Now it's just a slush puddle. It's not frozen. No, it's just slopped over with all this sleet we're getting. Let's go over here. See, it's pretty much got a layer of ice on it. It's not really ice though, it's slush. Look at that. Keep going. This isn't really even snow. It's more just ice pellets. Remember, earlier video, to show it how this road looks. It was completely clear, and now look at it. It's all frozen. It's got water inside of it. It's snowy out here. Well, not snowy, but that's what I like. That's what I like to call cold. I call it cold, snowy. Probably don't. Look at that. Look at the mailbox. It's got ice on it. That's all ice. That's not water. No mail. I didn't think so. No, this would come until a few hours later, but I was thinking they might have sent it early because of the storm. They might not send it at all. It's crazy to think that this is in the spring. Let's not go walk right into that. I don't really feel like getting socks wet. Supposedly, this is supposed to last until Sunday. It's supposed to last until tomorrow. So, I can only expect it's going to get worse from here. It's like walking through it's like walking through a Slurpee almost. Look at how much ice is over there. Okay, that was a nice little update. That's all for this time. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did,